Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Today we're going to discuss the short trip that we took down to a waterfall here in Bali, Indonesia, and we had a day that was just very full of different surprises, unexpected surprises. We didn't really plan the day out, but it went really well. So when we woke up in the morning, I honestly had worked all night. We were exhausted. Yeah. So the only thing on our list really was to just find a coffee shop. And that's when we discovered it's called Seluk Luwak Coffee and Cliff Swing. We went with the expectation that we were just going to go to a simple coffee shop, order a coffee, leave, and be on the rest of our day. So when we arrived at the coffee shop, we ended up walking through this like garden area. We were quite shocked, and this local lady was kind of leading us around. Quickly, we discovered we were actually on a tour. We had no clue. We didn't pay an entrance fee. Yeah. So she was showing us all of these different coffee beans that they use, and then she showed us this animal, and we were quite shocked because we had heard about this, but you know, we didn't know a ton about it. So it's called a luwak. It's a cat, and what happens is in Bali they feed these coffee beans to this cat, and then the cat poops the coffee beans. They collect the poop, clean it, boil it, sanitize it several times, grind it down, and they make it into what's known as luwak coffee.
Very expensive here.
Yeah, it's actually known as the most expensive coffee in the world. In the middle of this tour, we also saw a giant swing where if you pay, I think it was like 100,000 Indonesian rupiah. Yeah, if you pay, then you can actually ride this swing which overlooks a jungle, and it's off of a cliff. We were extremely happy with the coffee and tea tour. They showed us the different processes. They grow all of their own, you know, ginger, mangosteen. Everything is completely organic and natural that they add into the teas and coffees.
Yes.
So, you know, we were pleasantly surprised with this tour. All of the samples at the end of the tour for the coffee and the tea were completely free. So it was really neat. We got to taste test
14.
We got to taste test 14 different coffees and teas. So it was a pleasant experience. After we were done, then we have been really itching to visit a couple of the waterfalls that are here in Bali. So we decided to go to the Tegenungan Waterfall. Everybody butchers that name, so I'm sorry to any Balinese locals if I pronounced the waterfall wrong. So as we were driving along the way, we actually saw a donut shop.
Yeah, it is local. I don't know the name.
Yeah, just a local donut shop. It was a fun experience. We had only drank coffee at this point, so we were a little hungry. feet to actually get into the waterfall. On the way down to the waterfall, you do have to walk down some steps. Now, these steps are quite steep.
Yeah.
Of the stairs, there's a small holy bathing area. It was absolutely serene.
Yeah, we love this waterfall and we are enjoying there a lot, and I recommend guys you can go there and enjoy.
Absolutely beautiful. After we stayed at the bottom and enjoyed the waterfall a little bit, it started to drizzle a little bit. The rain started coming down, so we decided let's start the hike back up because we knew the hike was going to be brutal. It wasn't as bad as we thought it was going to be, but the stairs are definitely tall.
Yeah.
So we took a couple breaks. We're not the most athletic. Upendra is, I should say. I'm not the most athletic, but there were people we were passing as we were going up that seemed very athletic. And one guy even said, oh, climbing these stairs, I feel like a mountain goat. So if you plan to come to Tegenungan Waterfall, just be prepared to climb those stairs. It's not terrible, but it's something you should know about.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video from Hello Namaste Travelers. Be sure to check out our Instagram page, which is linked below. Also, Hello Namaste Travelers.
And guys, like and subscribe our channel and share this video.
Yeah, and don't forget to leave a comment. One thing we would like to add is we are also trying to slowly explore some of the different snacks in Indonesia. So if you have a favorite Indonesian snack, leave us a comment and let us know what we should try, and we'll release a video as we're getting ready to leave Indonesia of all of the fun, weird, crazy snacks, okay? All right, well, we'll see you guys next week. Bye!